as people are sort of building these, these AI applications, and they're just sort of dabbling, their way into retrieving information. That's the first problem they run into, and then they will complain to their customers that, well, your data is bad. There's so much, inaccurate information, out of date information inside a company. It's not our fault that the answers that the AI systems are building is bad because you're feeding it the wrong information. And that's actually not the right answer because, well, AI should be smart enough to understand what information is old, what information is new. Think about you as a human. As a human, if somebody asks you a question, you will go and try to find an answer. You will do research. You will actually read a bunch of documents, and you'll have that judgment that, hey, like, this thing looks old to me. I should not trust it as much. I want to look at more recent information. If I'm not finding more recent information, I'll actually go and talk to somebody like who I believe is working on this area right now. And so that's our thought process. This is how we process, and you're still able to live and handle that low quality knowledge, that obsolete knowledge inside your company, and still ultimately as a human bring the right answers back to to whoever was actually asking you for that information. And the AI has to work the same way, and that is what Green does. Like what we do internally is when we bring Green to an enterprise, we go and connect with all of the different systems. We understand knowledge at a deep level. We understand what knowledge is high quality and fresh, written by subject matter experts, as I said.